Okay, so we took a brief pause just to take the time to put the centipede on, because it's loaded up with a whole bunch of wheels and it just takes a minute. Alright, so now, as we said, with this system here that we have, what we're going to do now is we're going to put pass through. We press pass through, and it passes through to DCC. Okay, and now we can run our DCC. Now, on the centipede, it's a beautiful train. We'll start it up. A couple of things about this this diesel here. The single stripe is for freight, and the multi-stripe, which should be about 5, is for passenger cars. Okay, it didn't last very long. They scrubbed it. It didn't last actually that long. I guess they was having too many problems with it. So let's see how she runs. Runs pretty good. On the incline, not too good with a loaded up, a full load. But on flat land, she'll pull a lot. Now, as you'll see, she will articulate way out. Now, if you're going to purchase the centipede, you have to make sure there's no dips or little hills or anything of that nature, because you will wind up having problems. And I prefer the coupling instead of the pins to join them together. But that's just about it. And time to go back to work. So again, from the M&M Brothers, peace.